belief gets stronger the closer you stay to it. Belief isn't only in your head, it's your proximity. The concept has to survive the object. This isn't a sensor project with a story taped on. The form had to carry the idea before it carried the electronics. I began in 3D modeling, iterating organic geometry until the cross form felt like it could hold the concept, not just the components. Then I printed the parts in PLA, cut threads, and locked everything together with M2 screws. A 40 cm aluminium rod becomes the spine, because the structure has to hold physically if the concept is going to hold. And that's the whole game. If the vessel collapses, the meaning collapses with it. This is an installation, but it's also an instrument. It has one job: turn proximity into consequence. The brain of this sculpture is the Waveshare ESP32S3. The sensor I'm using here is the VL53, a time-of-flight sensor measuring distance. I solder the wiring, test the readings, make sure that the signal doesn't wobble. Because if the measurement is noisy, the belief test becomes noisy too. Then comes the part people underestimate, the surface work, not as finishing but as a commitment. I used 80 grit sandpaper and then 108. Then I used wood filler to fill the gaps, and then I polished again with 300, 600 and 1000. It's not just polishing PLA, it's making the object worthy of the premise. If belief is something you stay close to, the object needs to survive closeness, hands, light, time and attention. Then I used red high gloss acrylic spray and a clear matte varnish to seal it. Finally, I wrote the software, where the belief mechanic becomes a system. I wrote a custom Node.js generative algorithm that constructs the pixel art and an Arduino code that maps proximity into visual states. So you don't get the answer for free, you earn it with closeness. This is the part that matters. The work doesn't tell you what to believe, it shows you how quickly your mind turns distance into doubt and proximity to conviction.